Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, and to a lot of people this is a scary topic, which is, I completely understand. We'll be talking about cancer of the bone. Now a lot of patients ask me, how does cancer of the bone happen? Why people get cancer of the bone? There are several reasons why people get bone cancer. One thing we have to remember, that bone cancer comes not from the bone itself. There's a lot of information right now in a lot of scientific papers and a lot of scientific research that says that bone cancer is actually a mutated cell that comes from another tissue or organ. For example, let's say you have inflammation in the stomach, and this inflammation continues for a very long time in the stomach. So stomach cells will mutate and cause problems in the bone. Bone becomes inflamed, and over time it can become a cancer. So it starts from inflammation. The bottom line, what I need you to understand from this information is that almost every kind of cancer starts because of inflammation. So if you have inflammation anywhere in the body, be it in the stomach or the lungs or the heart or anywhere else, you have to control it immediately. You cannot just let it go. How do you know if you have inflammation? Unfortunately, you're not always going to find it in the labs, because if you go to do labs, they don't always find inflammation. There's no such a lab that says, oh, you have inflammation in the stomach. You have to do a test, you have to put a special tool down the throat into the stomach, then maybe you can find out if it's inflammation or not. Now the second way you can do is that you can do an examination. It's called palpation. In my clinic, what we do is we palpate organs, we palpate the body, we examine the body, we touch, we examine it by hand. Now in this video right here, you can see we're doing examination of the stomach. And right now in this video, you can see we're doing examination of the intestines and internal organs. So this is how you examine for problems with inflammation. And remember, bone cancer, they all start from inflammation. So the first thing to do is reduce inflammation. Make sure that you have no inflammation in the body. One of the tips that I can give you how to reduce inflammation is always reduce all the sweets and sugars. Do not consume any sweets or sugar. Anything that's sweet, anything that has sugar in it, it doesn't matter what kind of sugar, including fructose. Yes, including fruits. It's still too much sugar. It's not very good. Number two, in my clinic, what we do is we use neurophotonic disc. You can see it in this video right here. This is how we apply neurophotonic disc on inflammation parts. If you get rid of inflammation as much as you can, you might not even go into that direction. You may not develop those kinds of diseases that are extreme, like bone cancer or organ cancer. If you have any questions, let me know. You can comment down below. Okay, thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.